In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email group in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open your contacts, and build a reusable list. Yahoo's term for an email group, so you can message multiple people with one click. Start by opening Yahoo in your web browser. On the top right, click Sign In. If you're shown a sign in prompt again, choose Sign In once more. If you see your existing account listed, select it to continue. Otherwise, enter your email address and password in the fields provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete sign-in. This may include security checks or verification. Once you're fully signed in and back on the Yahoo homepage, click Mail at the top to open your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, look to the left side and open Contacts. This is where you manage individual people as well as groups. In Contacts, to switch to the Lists section. In Yahoo Mail, lists are your email groups. They let you collect multiple contacts under a single name so you don't have to add each person every time you compose a message. Click Add a contact to the list. A panel will open for setting up your new group. First, give your list a clear, memorable name, something like Project Team, Family, or Monthly Update. A good name makes it easy to find later and reduces mistakes when sending. Now in the field for members, start typing a person's name or email address. Yahoo will suggest matches from your contacts as you type. Click the correct person to add them to the list. Repeat this process to add as many people as you need. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right contacts before you move on. If a name doesn't appear in the suggestions, you may need to type the full email address to find it. When your list name and members look good, click Save. Your new list is now created and will appear under the List section in Contacts. From here, you can revisit the list anytime to review who's in it, rename it for clarity, or update its members as your needs change. That's it. Your email group is ready for use the next time you're composing a message in Yahoo Mail. If something doesn't look right, double check that you're signed into the correct account, that you're in the Contacts area, and that you're viewing the List tab specifically. Clear naming and careful selection go a long way towards smooth group emailing.